Want to access content from any country without downloading a single app or installing any software? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a 100% free VPN on your PC or laptop without downloading any software or app, no signups, and it works for any country you choose. Whether you want to watch geo-blocked content, protect your privacy, or browse safely, this method is fast, simple, and completely free.
Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started.
First, click on search bar and search for VPN settings. Click on Add VPN. Enter any name for your VPN. Here you have to add a server address. To find server address, open our browser. Here search for VPN Gate. Open this website. Here you will find hundreds of VPN for different countries. You can find the country VPN that you want. For example, I want to connect to an Japan VPN. I will copy this address and paste it here. Here select SSTP. Now for username and password, go back to website. Here you will find username and password. Click on Save. You can see that VPN has added. Now to connect it, simply click on Wi-Fi option, click here and then connect. You can see that our VPN has been added successfully.
If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.